How are you doing today?
Hey, really good.
My name is Jake, and I'm going to be asking 22 questions with Yune on this gold face mask that we decided to try.
Thank you.
Can you show that to the camera one more time?
Do you see that well? Yeah. Do you want me to tube it out? Put it on my face? No. So the gold mask here.
Awesome. So let's get right into the questions.
Okay.
So Yune, gold or silver?
Gold.
Beauty or fashion?
Both.
What's one thing you would say about this mask?
The spatula.
What about the spatula?
That it comes with it, but don't use it.
So what's one bad thing you would say about the mask?
The time.
Time. How easy was it for you to peel off?
It was not.
Do you have any recommendations?
I would say just do it on one of those like long, lazy afternoon on a Sunday or whatever where you want to feel like a goddess, and you will feel like it.
Agreed.
It'll take enough time to come off of your face.
So what's the best form of skincare maintenance you can think of?
Let me see. I'll say rice water.
Rice water. We'll get into that in another video.
Okay.
What would you recommend? Would you recommend this mask for acne?
I would certainly do so.
Okay. What's your morning skincare routine like?
I take my shower and I come out from the shower and I splash cold water on my face and then I moisturize.
Is toner necessary to clear skin?
Definitely.
And do you think diet and exercise play an important role in skincare?
Definitely.
Do you think vitamin supplements help?
Not really.
No. What is something that inspires you every day?
My mom and other aspiring actors and actresses.
Oh, influencers, if you will. With your channel, what are some of the next steps you're looking for?
I really want to get out there and talk to a lot of you, and hopefully I'll be able to have an interesting conversation going on about fashion and beauty and what makes you feel better by talking about that with me.
And has Instagram helped with your branding skills?
Definitely, because it is so competitive right now.
So for those who want to start a channel, what would you recommend to them?
I would say that you should definitely find a niche to be a good strategic person out there, but don't find it outside, find it within. The beauty's within.
Is the beauty industry competitive for influencers?
I would certainly think so. I read this article that said like one of the most profitable niche for influencers these days is makeup. So I would certainly think it is competitive.
Awesome. Do you think social media influencing is changing our shopping habits?
I definitely do, because I think some of the physical outlets for fashion and beauty in a way are dying out from their traditional models because everyone is so much on their phone, on their tablets or computer, and everything is happening there. So
would you buy a product based off of reviews?
I would buy it if my favorite influencer was using it.
Okay. What is a must-have for your routines?
I would say my ginseng serum.
Your ginseng serum. So with this product, would you recommend this face mask to anyone?
I would definitely do so if you want to become this goddess or a god for men, especially in the winter because it's really good for hydration.
And what's one skincare product you would recommend to me?
The gold face mask.
The gold face mask. Everyone wants the gold face mask.
But how was it though for you?
It was really nice. I could see a visible difference and it really tightened my pores. So.
Oh really?
Yes.
Let me ask you another question. How long did it take for you to take off the gold mask?
I'd say it was probably like 5 minutes. It doesn't peel very well, but I think if you put a big enough layer on, it'll definitely peel off more in one sheet rather than like little bits and pieces for sure.
Right, like when you got a sunburn.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm just surprised because I look super tan and you're like super pale.
I know. I need to get a spray tan ASAP.
Oh my god, thank you so much, Jake, and it was a pleasure to meet you in New York.
Alright, I will see you guys later, maybe maybe in Savannah, hopefully.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll do something else together.
Yes. Alright, bye.
Strong lights make everything sexy, yeah. Shadows dancing on the wall. I wanna rock with you. Let's converse. Talk with your body, don't say anything at all. Fuck with you. Wanna fuck with you. Wanna fuck with you. Wanna fuck with you. Fuck with you. Wanna fuck with you. Wanna fuck with you. Wanna fuck with you. Strong lights make everything